Down in the holler on a summer night, old Johnny wore a hat that was quite a sight, made of fireworks, sparklers and all. He lit up the sky like a festival. Folks gathered around with a laugh and a grin. Johnny tipped his hat, we all saw the sparks begin. He danced a jig with a twinkle in his eye as rockets shot up, lighting up the July sky. Johnny's crazy cap like nothing we'd seen. He lit up our hearts and evening too, with that firework hat all red, white and blue. All red, white and blue.